Hi guys, this is Sandeep here. Welcome once again to my channel Realtor from Dubai. Every investor is hesitant at first, and if you are investing internationally, then your hesitation, or in other words, your questions and concerns are obvious. In today's episode of Sunday Solutions by Realtor from Dubai, I'm going to address three basic questions that every new investors face while they think of investing in Dubai. I'm going to talk about how secure your investment in Dubai is in terms of ownership. I'm going to talk about how safe your money is when you pay for an off-plan property, and I'm going to talk about the external factors those affect your investment in Dubai. So watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's begin today's episode of Sunday Solutions by Realtor from Dubai. For any new investor who is thinking of Dubai as an investment avenue, and ownership is of prime importance, and they are not fully aware what the ownership status will be. So let me tell you guys, every property in Dubai except few locations are freehold properties. When I say freehold, that means you own the property completely forever. Even if you can transfer this property of yours to your next generation as well. Even if you are not resident of Dubai, the property will stay on your name forever. So as far as ownership is concerned, you are absolutely safe and secure to buy a property in Dubai. If you are buying a ready to move in property, then you know what you are getting in returns of what you are paying. But if you are buying an off-land property, then it is obvious that you will get a questions like how safe it is, how secure it is, and how safe my money is, because you're putting your hard-earned money and you want to be that money in safe hands. So let me tell you that every single dirham that you pay against an off-land property in Dubai goes to an dedicated escrow account. It doesn't go to developer directly. It goes to an escrow account which is dedicated for that particular development itself. And developer cannot take that money unless and until he achieves that specified construction milestone. And to check that construction milestone, there is a separate government entity which goes, inspects the site and issues the certificate that this particular construction level has been achieved. And then only developer can demand that money which is against that construction milestone lying in the escrow account. So be assured that your money is safe and secure if you're paying for an off-land property. The second concern that any off-land investor might have is about the reputation of the developer. So in Dubai, there is a very strict rule that if you want to sell an off-land property, then you need to deposit 20% of the project cost as a cash deposit to an escrow account. And then only you can start selling the off-plan property. This particular provision makes sure that only the serious developers are in the market. And in case if something happens because of certain situations, if the project gets stuck in between and there is no development further, then these all projects are referred to a government entity, a separate committee, which is called as Cancelled Projects Committee. This committee will then decide whether to give out the money which investors has paid to them or to bring a new investor and continue the projects. So in any which ways, your money which you have paid is safe and secure in an escrow account. If development doesn't goes forward, which is very rare situation, then you will get your money back. Of course, this entire process is lengthy, it will take time, but the bottom line is your money is safe. The third question that comes to every investor's mind is what are the external factors those are affecting the investment scenario in Dubai. So let's take a look what are these aspects and how those are affecting the investments in Dubai. The first and foremost is the government initiatives and policies. Now we all know that Dubai government is very aggressive when it comes to innovation technology, and the policies they have been laying out, I can say that Dubai government is almost 20 years ahead of its time, because back in 2010 they announced Metro 2030. In 2020 they announced Vision 2040. And we all know that if Dubai governments announce any particular policy, any particular initiative, they fulfill that. So that gives a certain level of confidence to investors when they are investing in Dubai. The third is the infrastructure. I have spoken about this in my previous episodes also, that Dubai government has spent a lot on infrastructure in a way that that infrastructure development will boost the economy. Because if you are buying a residential property, you would look at infrastructure, you would look at the community, you would look at the parks and facilities which are given to you. So the spending of Dubai government, be it on metro extension, be it on roads, be it on community parks development, is been phenomenal in recent years. And that is another aspect why Dubai is being hot favorite in recent years. The third aspect is safety and security. Dubai has been awarded as the safest place to live for consecutive years, and the crime rate in Dubai is almost zero. The fourth aspect is very important considering the recent time, considering the situation the entire world is going through, the healthcare and the crisis management done by Dubai government. The way Dubai government has handled the entire pandemic, the way Dubai government has spread out the healthcare infrastructure, it is phenomenal. And that is the reason most of the people, in fact, many people from across the world are considering to move to Dubai or considering Dubai as their second home. So to sum up today's episode of Sunday Solutions by Realtor from Dubai, I can say that the ownership concern is pretty much sorted because the properties you are buying in Dubai are freehold properties. The money that you are paying for an off-plan property is completely safe and secure because you are paying that to an escrow account. And thirdly, Dubai government is tirelessly working day in, day out to make your experience of Dubai better every day. So if you are considering investing in Dubai, you should go ahead and get that property on your name. I hope I have cleared your doubts. If you have any more doubts, you can contact me on WhatsApp or you can call me on my number, which is 971 54 771 7848. You can reach out to me on my social media platforms on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. My handle is Realtor from Dubai. If you find this video helpful and informative, like the video, comment your feedbacks and suggestions in the comment box below, and share it with your friends and colleagues so that they will also know how safe it is to invest in Dubai. If you haven't subscribed the channel, hit that subscribe button because that will motivate me to make more such videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you next Sunday with yet another episode of Sunday Solutions by Realtor from Dubai. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.